If you're visiting CarolinaEast Medical Center in New Bern, you might notice something a little different in the front entrance. On your side, Cheyenne Pagan joined us live in front of the hospital now, where they just unveiled a brand new sculpture. So Cheyenne, what does this piece of art mean to the people who work there?
Perseverance is the name of this sculpture, and it's dedicated to those on the front line that pushed through during the pandemic. With the New Bern Fire Department's help, the sculpture was unveiled to dozens of community members, officials, and healthcare workers.
And most importantly,
many emotional because of what this piece of art means to them.
We made it, that no matter what we see, we can get through it.
Christy Herbst worked in the COVID-19 care unit during the height of the pandemic.
We all counted the cost, our families counted the cost, and were willing to become infected along with us because they believed in what we were doing and we showed up to work.
She says it was a difficult time, but they persevered.
In April of 2020, some of us were at work on the COVID unit when we heard the news that one of our own employees had died from the virus. I can tell you we all counted the cost again that day, and still we answered every call light.
Sculptor Brad Spencer describes the piece.
On one side, you have the worker like walking forward, like going into to treat a patient and putting on the mask. And then on the other side, once the shift is over and the mask comes down, then you see the face and the emotion that comes through with the sorrow.
And after 4 months of work and over 400 bricks, Perseverance sits at the entrance of Carolina East to remind people of that dedication.
I wanted this to be kind of a meditative place and to remind them of really what it takes to care for people, especially during such a crisis as COVID is.
The sculptor adds the bricks could also be a metaphor for how strong healthcare workers are as well. Live in New Bern, Cheyenne Pagan 9 on your side.